If your skin could talk, would it thank you or report you? Today, we're diving into 10 Amazon beauty and self-care must-haves people swear by products so good, they might just replace your entire routine. Ready for glowing skin, luscious lips, and TikTok-worthy hair transformations? Plus 2 bonus ways to feed your body, soul, and even your binge-watch cravings. Stay tuned. Drop a heart in the comments if you love self-care Sundays. Every product's linked below to level up your life today. Start fresh with Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. Your skin's peace treaty. Removes waterproof makeup, 100% plant-based and biodegradable. No rinse, no residue, no excuses. If your makeup wipes don't hug your skin like these, ditch 'em. Grab the twin pack link in description. You'll never look back. Next up, the iconic CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Dermatologists developed, packed with hyaluronic acid plus 3 ceramides, fragrance-free and perfect for sensitive skin. This is the moisturizer that made 5,000 plus reviewers fall in love. Hit that link, your skin deserves this upgrade. Dark circles? Puffy bags? Meet the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, marine botanicals, all in one tube. Wake up looking rested, even when you're not. This eye cream is basically sleep in a bottle. Click below before your next early meeting. Sun protection is the non-negotiable flex. An EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46, it's elite, oil-free, zinc-powered, no white cast. Works under makeup, won't clog your pores. Glow today, protect tomorrow. Click the link. Your future self will thank you. Wake up with LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask Magic. Vitamin C She, Muramura Butter Oh My. Berry or vanilla, your lips will love it. Go to bed with chapped lips. Wake up with baby soft ones. Links waiting. Treat your pout. Want your shower to feel like a spa? NIVEA Peach and Jasmine Body Wash equals therapy in a bottle. Elegant scent, nourishing serum, and vitamin E. Eco-smart and skin kind. Smell divine. Feel unstoppable. Link in bio. Start your morning ritual. One tube, every face. Clinique Black Honey Almost Lipstick. Dark in the tube, sheer on your lips. It's iconic, genderless, and always sold out. The one lipstick TikTok and your mirror agree on. Grab it before it disappears again. Master every look with his 18-piece BE Simlaw brush set. Soft, cruelty-free, pro-level tools. From smoky eye to flawless foundation. $200 value for under $20. It's in your cart now, right? Flaky scalp? It's time to move on. Selsun Blue Max Strength fights dandruff at the root. Itches? Gone? Flakes? Vanish? Menthol? So soothing. Let your scalp breathe again. Don't flake on this one link below. Your glam squad equals this one tool. REVLON One Step Volumizer Plus is part blow dryer, part magic wand, fast styling. Big volume, little damage. This tool equals salon style at home. Every time. Link below, go. Get that blowout. Want to glow inside out? Level up with an Audible Premium Plus annual membership. Listen while you mask, walk, journal, hello, multitasking queen. One membership equals thousands of audiobooks. Fuel your mind while you care for your skin. Link below, start your free titles today. These aren't just products, they're your new rituals. From skincare to self-care, binge watching to brain growing, every product here builds the best version of you. Like this video, comment your #1 favorite or what we should. Try next. Subscribe for weekly Amazon glow-ups. Links below equals easy, fast, and affiliate click friendly. You're not just watching, you're leveling up your whole life.